In this video, you'll learn how to get better answers from Kimi AI. This guide explains how to effectively interact with the AI to improve the quality of responses you receive. Begin by navigating to the Kimi AI website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Kimi AI. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface featuring a clean design and various options to start your interaction. Next, locate the button labeled New Chat. This button is usually prominently displayed on the main page. Clicking on it will initiate a new conversation, allowing you to input your queries directly into the chat interface. After that, think carefully about the prompt you wish to use. A well-structured question or statement will yield better responses. Consider what information you are seeking and how to phrase it clearly to facilitate understanding. Once you have your prompt ready, type in your question in the provided text box. For example, you might ask, how do I make a time schedule? This specific question provides clear context for Kimi AI to generate a relevant response. After entering your question, look for the button labeled Generate. Clicking this button will submit your query to Kimi AI. The system may take a moment to process your request, during which a loading indicator may appear, indicating that the AI is working on generating an answer. It is important to note that the quality of the answer can depend on how well the question is formulated. If you do not receive a satisfactory response, consider rephrasing your question or providing additional context to guide the AI in delivering a more accurate answer. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.